Dear students of Greenland Public School Sibdhara of class 9th, you are welcome to the new class in mathematics. Dear students, this is exercise 13.5 of NCERT. Now question number 6 we will see. Up to question number 5 I taught you. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water of the tank last? Dear student, a village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters water per head per day, and the dimension of the tank is given. It is given 20 meter, 50 meter, 6 meter. It is given that how many days the water of the tank will last. Number of days that the water of tank last is equal to volume of the tank by volume of water required per day by the villagers. So volume of the tank is equal to length into breadth into height by volume of water required per day is equal to number of persons, that is 4,000, and amount of water required per person is equal to 150. Dear students, this is in cubic meter and this is in liter. So this I have changed this cubic meter into liter by multiplying 1000, because 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. Now if you cross it, this 0 get cancelled, this 2 0 and this 0, and after crossing we have got 3 days. How many days? 3 days. So the water of the tank will last for 3 days. Now question number 7. A godown measures 40 meter by 25 meter by 10 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates. Each measuring 1.5 meter by 1.25 meter by 0.5 meter that can be stored in the godown. Dear students, we can say here the maximum number of wooden crates that can be stored in the godown is equal to volume of the godown by volume of one crate. So we can say volume of godown is equal to length into breadth into height by volume of a crate is equal to length into breadth into height. Now we can write a 40 into 25 into 10 and 1.5. This decimal has been removed, so I have written here 10. This decimal has been removed and I have written here 100, and this decimal has been removed and here I have written 10. So now 40 into 25 into 10 into 10 into 100 into 10 by 15 into 125 into 5, and if we cross these all we get how much? 10666. So this is the number of, because this is coming in point, so in decimal crates will not come into fraction. That is why the maximum number of crates which can be put is equal to 10,666. Now dear students, question number 8 you will see now. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes. How many cubes? 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. Dear students, here are two questions. A solid cube is given of side 12 centimeter and it has been cut into 8 equal parts, and we have to find out the side of the new cube and also the ratio between these two. Dear students, let side of 8 cubes of equal volume is equal to A. Therefore, 8 into AQ is equal to volume 12Q, or AQ is equal to 12 into 12 into 12 by 8. And if we cross 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 6 ja is equal to 6Q. Cube cancel. So we can say here side of the new cube is equal to 6 centimeter. 6. The ratio between their surface area is equal to surface area of the original cube by surface area of the new cubes. So we can say here surface area of the original cube is equal to 6 into side square, and surface area of the new cube is equal to 6 into side square. But the side of the new cube is 6 we have got over here, and the side of the original cube is equal to 12. 6 cancel, 12 into 12 upon 6 into 6, and if you cross then you get 4 upon 1, that is 4:1. Now question number next you will see, dear students, question number 9. It is a little bit important also, you will pay attention. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide, a river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. At the rate of 2 km per hour, how much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Dear students, depth of the river is given 3 meter, width of the river is given 40 meter, and the flowing of water is given here, the speed of water with which it flows, that is given 2 km per hour, 2 km, and we have to find out that in 1 minute how much volume of water will flow into the sea. Dear students, volume of water that flows into sea in 1 second. First of all, I have converted speed. Speed is given 2 km per hour. This point should be noted. You have to pay attention over here only. Speed is equal to 2 km per hour, and if we change kilometer per hour into meter per second, we can add 2 into 5 by 18 meter per second, and if you cross 2 9 5 by 9 meter per second. It is meant that of length of 5 by 9 meter, the volume of water flows into sea in 1 second. That is, in 1 second how much amount of water will flow, then this part of length, this part of breadth, and this part of height, this much volume of water will flow into the sea. So we can say here volume of water that flows into sea in 1 second is equal to length into breadth into height, and length will be 5 upon 9 into breadth is 40 and height is 3 cubic meter. So if you calculate this all, then we have to find in 61 in a minute, and we have got in a second. So we can say volume of water that flows into sea in a minute is equal to 60 into, because in 1 second this much amount of water goes, so in 60 seconds we can say 60 into 5 by 9 into 40 into 3, and if we cross 3 3 ja 3 2 ja 20 into 5 into 40, that is 4000 cubic meter. 4000 cubic meter volume of water flows into sea in 1 second. Thank you.